So today I'm going to show you how sales hacking actually happens. Sales hacking is an experimentation process where you experiment with certain kind of emails, storytelling, pitches, and you see whether it works, and you implement the best success rate. So today I'm actually doing an experiment for a photographer. He's based out of India and he wants to do photo shoots all across Sri Lanka, which is why I'm reaching out to all the top hotels all across Sri Lanka. And this is how I go about it. So the first thing is I start off with understanding what exactly this experiment is about. What are my goals from this experiment? So I'm expecting 80% open rates, and people will click through these emails. Around 60% of them will click through these emails, and 20% of them will actually convert. Uh, this is the details of the goals. So I need to get around 30 meetings from this project, which I'm doing. And from these 30 meetings, I want to establish introduction with the photographer, who's Matthew. I want to build trust in him. I want to praise him. I want to mention his experience in the industry and how he can take over this complete photo shoot or a promotional video or cinematography, whatever. I want to showcase that to the customer. So this experiment I'm running, this is the subject of the email. I'm having two, three subjects, and I'm having follow-up email subjects as well. So I have like all of this set out in this campaign, and so I'm going to go ahead and show you how I'm going to do this whole sales hacking process. So first things first is I use a tool called Streak. So Streak has CRM. It's a CRM which you can send automated emails, and you can find out how many of these people actually convert uh, from it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to import a CSV file which I created. The file is in my downloads. Yeah, so it's a CSV file. It's going to import all of this information. Just mentioning what is the pipeline about. Yep. So it's imported. Yeah. So these 58 leads were imported. Uh, Good stuff. So I got their first name, I got their last name, I got their title, the email, and what stage lead is at. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a whole mail merge campaign. So I'll show you how a mail merge happens. Uh, so I'm going to click send mass mail merge, continue with mail merge. I'll have to select some of these boxes. So I'm just going to select the boxes. So I've web scraped most of these email IDs, just so that I can send it to hundreds of them and get responses. So here's the campaign which I have planned. So this is a mail merge. This is the email template which I'm using. So I'm going to paste the subject. This template I've actually used a lot of behavioral analysis. So you may not find the grammar proper, but that's because my target market isn't that well educated. So which is why I'm playing that card. Yep, I'm gonna. So all I've done is basically. So this is not looking that great. just need to reduce the size of this. Cool. So, so this email will go out to all these folks, and what we do is, because there's so much of behavioral analysis, we expect around 80% of conversions from this email. And so I'm just going to send out this email. I think this is good to go. And then you test it out with different subject lines and different kind of templates to see what works more. This is going out. Let's see this gone out. Uh, this goes at 449. We'll see how many read receipts we'll get from this, and we'll also get a lot of bounces uh, because these are all scraped email IDs. Not sure how many of them would actually be completely correct. So that's a mail merge campaign. Thanks, guys.